Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep building our G Suite Recreate. Now we're going to move to the second app we're going to recreate, which is Gmail. So, and we're going to be interesting to implement Gmail is that you have ability to send an email from your custom domain. For example, it's something like demo@devisme.xyz. And then just change the entire domain so I don't have like subdomain for it. It's not like mail.devisme.xyz anymore because I think it's shorter and it's maybe better. Alright, so there's 3 steps you need to do. Okay, and it's a little bit complicated, not really to be honest, but I will leave all the 3 links I want you to go in the description down below. But first of all, what I want you to do is go here, go to this website called forwardemails.net. Again, that is forwardemail.net. And let me log out really quick. Okay, so this is free email forwarding, and we're going to implement all of this, this Gmail for free. Alright, so we don't need to set up our custom SMTP server or IMAP server or stuff like that. We're just going to use something called forward email. Okay, forward email. Actually, before we even do that, I want you to guys go here first. Testmail.app. Alright, it's basically a way to test your email, and I hope this doesn't breach any term of service because I checked it. I don't think they explicitly forbidden you doing this, but we're going to use their test mail account and then to put it into the and then use the test mail and then to put it in and then we're going to register using this free email forwarding. Alright, so once you go to test mail, can register. Let's take a pricing really quick. So 100 emails for a month. I think I have like student, so it's like free essential. I don't know, but let's see. Alright, so gonna use this. We don't expect like a lot of users signing up anyway. So what we're gonna do is I think 100 emails should be enough for per month. So gonna use that, but I think I have essential up 10,000 emails per month because I have student plan from GitHub Education pack. But once you register an account, if you go to console, here's what you got. Alright, and then you got a namespace here. So what you want to do is you want to just copy this namespace. 5v6 G6 is my namespace. You can copy the namespace, and then you're gonna click on sign up for free, which in here you're gonna put it in this format: svg6g6.forwardemail@inbox.testmail.app. Technically, this .forward email don't even has to be here, but I mean, just a task I categorize them better. Once you register that, you're gonna sign. I already have an account, so I'm gonna sign in. All right. So this is forward email, and then what you can do is, if we take a look, let's see. Okay, so in here we get. What you want to do then is you want to click on add new domain. Since I add my domain here, you won't so it's not gonna be so I don't have to add it, but I'm gonna just do it with you guys. For example, let's say I have a website called devisme.email, for example, which I don't have. Alright. Which I don't have. And then in here, what you can do is you need to do the verification status. Alright. This is important. Once you set this up, the email server will be automatically set it up. Alright. So we need to do 2 things: MX records and TXT records. Alright, once you get to this step, now what you need to do is you need heading over to the Namecheap. And then specifically you want to click on hover over account, dashboard. Alright, I want to go here. Okay, and then you want to click on manage. Find your domain and click on manage. So for example, I want to manage this staywithme.xyz domain. We're just going to click on manage. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on advanced DNS. Advanced DNS. Alright. And then notice I already set everything up. But what you want to do is you want to add a TXT records here. You can click on add new record. And then make sure you set the host can be at. And the value should be forward hyphen email equals to the email that you registered. Alright. Of course, you don't have to use test mail, but all of my example going to be listed using test mail. I will be providing maybe, I don't know, but I may be going to provide something like other example that doesn't really use forward email. Test mail, but test mail is like great because it doesn't really have like a spam filter. At least I haven't encountered it. So it's like every email can get it. And the speed is pretty fast. So like average 10 seconds after you send, you can receive it in the test mail. Rather than from a Yahoo mail, which is taking like 3 hours for some reason. Alright, and now we have this mail setting. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you choose this custom MX. Alright, custom MX. And you want to add 2 MX records. And the host is going to be at. They're all going to be basically the same, except one's going to be mx1.forwardemail.net and one is going to be mx2.forwardemail.net. Alright, once you have this set up, what you want to do is you want to wait roughly around 15 minutes or so, 10 to 15 minutes or so, and then click on this verify records. Alright, for me, obviously it's going to say failed again because I don't even own that domain. Yep, domain is not a registered domain. Yeah. So once you have that, once you set these thing up, we verify records. It should say done, and then it should say all good to go. You can feel free to comment down if it doesn't work for some reason. We can join the Discord server, which I will link in the description down below. But then let me go back to my domain. And then I will just delete this. One second, let me go ahead and delete this. Just make that email really quick. I really like the layout of this website because obviously it's bootstrap styled. I really like the theme of it. So nice UI here. Alright, so that's what the 3 steps you need to do. Again, I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Is first you're gonna go to test mail, get a test mail email address there. Then you're gonna use that to sign in to the forward email, and then you're gonna add your domain there. And the third step is you can go to Namecheap. You gotta go to advanced DNS setting and then modify the DNS as I said there. Alright, once you did all of this, you are ready to go with our mail. Developing our own Gmail server. Not server, Gmail like a platform. And for this email part, it's going to be completely free. Alright, unless you want to get more email in a test mail, which that's going to cost a little bit of extra money. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. That was me, out.